NYSE-listed Similarweb, a digital intelligence platform, just released its GenAI Brand Visibility Index report, which explores how companies across industries, such as Apple, are winning favorable mentions from OpenAI's ChatGPT and similar GenAI tools. Joining me now to share more is Baruch Toledano, VP and GM of Digital Marketing Solutions at Similarweb. Baruch, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
All right, can you break down this report for us?
Okay, so basically what Similarweb does, as you know, is tracking the digital presence of many organizations. And we provide them the competitive information of how they're actually operating. What we found over the past few months is, of course, the importance of the AI discovery became an important part of consumer ways of finding things about how they drive their life, making decisions in their life of what are the things they want to go and try. And so this report basically analyzes many of these prompts and responses that people are actually putting to trying to better understand and organize so that brands will be able to compete in this new way of AI brand visibility. And so this report is providing them with the visibility of the winners, who are the ones who are overperformers and are actually coming up and help them basically to go and control the narratives that they have within this AI discovery way.
Can you give us examples of what people were searching for and what some of the top brands were that came up?
Okay, so people are searching for many things and they're asking many things. So about 35% of their interaction on AI discovery is in many ways informing many ideas, looking for things to do, sometimes even trying to plan their travel trips, trying to understand what gifts to buy, or even more so, what outfit to wear to particular events that they currently have. All these new ways provides an opportunities for many of these brands to show up. And so some of the key brands that we would see are sometimes the traditional one you would expect. So we cover several types of industry. We cover travel, we cover beauty, news, consumer electronics. And so in consumer electronics, for example, yes, you would see the typical players like Apple, but in many cases, we were really interested in the overperformers one. Those are the ones that basically stood out even more than the traditional search that what we see them. For example, in consumer electronics, we saw B&H from here, from New York, or Adorama, or iFixit, were some of these brands that are coming up. And so we want to know about them. We want to inform what are the strategies and the tactics that these organizations have taken in order to come up in these AI discovery questions that folks have.
How are people searching in AI versus like a traditional search bar? Is it like more of a conversation, more of a dialogue? How is that happening?
That's a great question. So definitely there are some similarities of what we see with traditional search. But the very fundamental thing that we see in terms of change is they're providing a lot of context. They really are giving the information into the AI discovery in a way that they never put many times in traditional search. And so you find many things about their life, their information about what are the key events that they're looking for, and then their interaction is really condensed into the type of answers that they're getting. And so the AI is basically, these different generative AI LLMs are bringing different sources of data, compressing it and providing the user with a synthesized answer that sometimes even compare things, explain it better, and actually sometimes giving them recommendation. And so it's like this one answer that they're getting. In addition to that, we see a lot of what we call multi-turn. So users continue to interact with the same context that they have provided, and now they want to continue to hone into the information that they get. I guess a big interesting phenomena that we've noticed is actually the interchange of behavior between what they do in AI discovery and also what they do in traditional search. And so in AI discovery, they do a lot of things that are early in their buying journey, many things to inform them. And many times they go to Google to actually hone in on the exact price or to buy the exact things that they want to buy after they've been informed in the AI discovery.
All right, Baruch Toledano, VP and GM of Digital Marketing Solutions at Similarweb. Thank you for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you for having me.
You can scan the QR code to view Similarweb's 2026 Gen AI Brand Visibility Survey. It is right on your screen, and don't go anywhere because the opening bell is up next.